Yo, that's right. New haul video. Got 3 new fragrances. One is hyped in the community, and I don't understand why. Find out which one I'm talking about, man. Stay tuned. What's good, party people? It's your boy Court. Just another fragrance review should be freaking across the screen as we speak. Before we get into some business, let's get into some business. Follow me on my things, man, at Court MC on Instagram and Twitter. Y'all think I should change that? Like, y'all really think I should change it to just another fragrance reviewer? I don't know. Let me know what you think. And the real JAFR on TikTok. Again, not good at the TikTok thing, but you know, we're working it out, man. If you're new here, like I said, my name is Court. It's kind of in the title. We review fragrances here. We also talk about how to buy, what to buy, what to pay, what not to pay, wash your ass, lotion them elbows and arms and chest and things like that. How, just, fragrance stuff, man. You're here. I'm happy. Glad you're here. Stay here for a while, please. If you decide to, there's a little button down there. It's red probably right now because you're new. Hit it. It'll turn gray. Every time I got a video, you see it pop up on your screen and whatnot. Hit that bell. It'll let you know eventually. Yeah, man, I got 3 new fragrances. Actually, 2 of them are on the list of joints that I plan on picking up in 2020. Over here, got a 3rd one on that list coming. It's over here, man. Just go ahead and click on that joint and all the other videos and whatnot. Click on that joint. You want to watch them and shit, whatnot. My bad. But yeah, let's get into it. Yo, the first one. You know what? I'm gonna say that one for last. The first one. Let's go over some of the joints that were on the list. So, one of the joints that I wanted to get that was on my list for 2020, I picked up because the brand was actually having a sale. Like I said, I don't typically pay retail for things. It was a really, really good sale, like 20% off that YSL was having about a week ago. Hell, it may still be going on. But it was or is L'Homme Intense. If y'all know if y'all can see that. Let me back up 3D. See it? Yeah, L'Homme Intense, yo. Decided to go ahead and pick this joint up. Like I said, 20% off sale through YSL Beauty, if I can get it out. But man, this joint, man, has some citrus in it. I think it has some lemon, black pepper in this joint, violet leaf, some leather, some suede, woodsy notes. Definitely a joint that's good for this type of weather that we're having today in the DFW area. If y'all don't know, it was basically 70 degrees yesterday. Now it's snowing, or it was snowing. Maybe it didn't snow because I had my blinds closed all day. But anyway, definitely one of these joints that's good for this type of weather. First impression, man, I like it. I wore it yesterday. It was my scent of the day yesterday. It doesn't give me the same, feels that the La Nuit de L'Homme gives me. I love that joint. It's probably one of my favorite fragrances. Top 5 fragrances that I own, period. This joint, it's pretty good. Like, I'm gonna have to sit with it a little bit. Let y'all see the spray a little. Y'all can see that little spray. Decent, typical YSL sprayer. Dope scent, man. Like I said, I'm gonna have to sit with it for a little while, man. But as of right now, it's a good one. I definitely suggest picking it up. Definitely don't pay retail for it. It's a little hard to find out there on the discounter sites because I was looking for a while and it was always sold out. Just happened to luck into that sale that YSL was having, but that's YSL or Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme Intense. Pretty dope. Check it out. Yo, this next one is super hyped in the community. And first impressions, man, I'm going to just be honest with you. It's not good. Like, it's one of those barbershop-y, what they say, fougere joints. And I don't have a problem with that. It's the fact that it smells like freaking lemon pledge off the top, man. Like it is not great. And the joint I'm talking about is Mustache. This joint, and this is the EDP or EDT. I'm sorry, the EDT. Why do y'all love this joint so much, man? Like it literally smells like some Arm& and Hammer Lysol lemon pledge joint off the top. And I'm about to spray this joint. When I first did it, when I first got it, I was pissed. Like I did. Like usually I try to get like decants and stuff like this. This joint is so cheap. I think I spent like $40 on it. And there's several reviewers that swear by this joint. I'm not gonna name any names. Y'all know who they are. Several reviewers swear by this joint, and I'm like, why do y'all love this? Like, this is not good. At least not to me. I don't know if y'all saw that. That's a sprayer, decent sprayer. This is like it's like bathroom cleaner, man. Like this is making me want to clean my bathroom. This is basically what this is doing. Like, and I even went on, Frank Gantica and looked up some of the reviews and what people were saying about it. And they're saying the same shit, same thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it smells like lemon pledge. Like I'm about to go, I don't know, clear the scuffs off the tables. That's what it is. That's what it is. The lemon pledge stuff that you use to polish furniture or the floors or whatever, man. Anyway, some of the notes. Lemon bergamot has some violet and patchouli in there. Those notes should be popping up probably around over in this area, and they should have for Long Intense too. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna give it a wearing because this joint is definitely a spring summer type. I'm gonna give it a wearing when the weather kind of chills out. But if y'all like it, let me know. We may be able to do some swaps, do a swap, especially if you got that Guerlain joint I've been looking for a while, and I've been telling myself I need to stop doing this and looking down and whatnot. Start looking at the camera. My bad, y'all. Trying a new technique, shooting with the back camera, is not easy. And I got the mirroring thing going on too, trying to make sure that I stay in, focus and the lighting is good and it's still recording. Okay, it is. Anyway, that's Mustache, which is moose trash to me. But like I said, I'll give it a shot, and if not, I'll definitely be getting rid of it. The next joint was one joint that I definitely had to have. I'm trying to get these just a little bit of the notes up so I can tell y'all what it is. It's one of those joints that I wanted to get in my collection for a while now, especially since I got my nose on it. Got a sample of it in the Scent Explorer sample bag when Scent Explorer happened in October or something like that when I got the bag. And I just knew I had to get an actual, the actual full presentation of it. It ain't cheap. I saved a little bit on it. Not gonna say that I saved a lot, but I saved a little bit on it. Got it through Twisted Lily and that zoologist seahorse. Yo, I had to get it, y'all. I had to. Just had to. Last time I wore it, I was like, damn, this joint is dope. And I just need to have it in my collection. So I went on ahead and picked it up. Spent about $160-ish on it, but here you go. Here's a sprayer. Not bad, right? A couple sprays, wasted a couple sprays because I love y'all. Oh man, this joint is just so dope. Has fennel, some cardamom. Yeah, I know that's the reason why I got it. Sage, probably some wood, some vetiver, stuff like that, man. It's just dope. And it just kind of reminds you of like being by the ocean, being in the ocean. Like there's no lemon or anything in there that I can tell, or bergamot or any citruses or anything like that. It's just the cardamom, that fennel, the sage, man. It's just a dope fragrance. I absolutely love it. Zoologist is one of those, niche brands that, their fragrances aren't for everybody. Like there's an animalic tinge to some of these joints. You know what I'm saying? Seahorse is just dope, and I highly suggest it or recommend it. But I also recommend copping a decant or a sample. I think they have carded samples on the site that you could get for like $8. Yeah, we're still recording. That you can get for like $8, and not gonna hit your pockets. You can go ahead and just get a couple of wares on it. If it's for you and you want to spend that dough to cop it, all right with me. Join the club. If it's not for you, I'll also get that, man, because it's not gonna be one of those joints that's for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Challenging to wear for some, not for me. I love it. Anyway, so that's Zoologist Seahorse, and that's the 3 new joints that I've gotten so far this year. Well, actually, didn't I get? No, yeah, those are the 3 joints that I got so far this year. I've actually gotten one more joint. I don't want to talk about it. I got kind of hustled at the lady on Harry Hines. She always gives me. I went in there with absolutely nothing to buy on my mind, and she got me for something, man. But we won't talk about that. I got another joint coming, so I'll do a separate video about that. It should be here Monday. I'm shooting this video Friday the 11th, so it should be here Monday, and I'll do another video on that. Also have another quartz rant video coming soon. Got some things that are bugging the hell out of me. Also, I don't know if y'all paid attention or saw it on the last video, but your boy has a podcast. It's called We Ain't Found Shh. So it's SHI has the exclamation instead of the IT. We're on YouTube. Same thing. We Ain't Found. I'll put the link tree down there at the bottom where you can find where you can listen to. I would definitely appreciate if you would come through, show your boy some love on the podcast. New episode should be posting Sunday. We're recording Sunday. I'm gonna try to get it out same day. Try to get this video out today on the 11th. Most likely it'll post Saturday, and then get the rant video out same day that I get the podcast out, hopefully. But yeah, if y'all can, subscribe, follow your boy on the thing so you know when the new joints are posting. I would definitely appreciate it. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this joint with your peoples. Don't you dare let your peoples be funky. I'm still trying to figure out this back-facing camera thing. With the front-facing camera, I can see myself, right? And I can see what I'm doing, make sure that I'm not doing certain things. So, give me a couple of videos, man. It's definitely going to get better. But I definitely appreciate y'all being here. I love every single one of y'all. Until the next time, be easy, be safe out there, man, and stay warm, especially if you're in the Dallas area. Peace.